So this is our small, old little Virginia home. And in the main door, new railing. Floor is going to be shiny. You can see part of it is shiny already. There will be shelves there. New ceiling fan. Maybe I can give you guys more light so you can see better. Refrigerator was rusty, painted it a little bit. There will be a new faucet in the sink there and a new cabinet door, I hope. Bathroom is very white. New faucet. Our deck will be all this color. This is the repair I did. Basically, I just cut out the top little piece here that was rotted and replaced it with another piece of post and put this over the top and some structural screws in before we replaced the rotted boards here, or I replaced. Where the hot tub used to be and maybe will be again one day. We're gonna refinish these today maybe. This is what used to be our pool. Maybe there will be again one day. This is our shed, storage shed. And this is my unfinished carport.